Okay, this time I will show you our blue UV light 3D temperature glass for Samsung S10, and I will introduce what's inside of the package. First, this is the glass. Then the third, the glue, liquid one. And this is the UV light. It have two input, one micro and one USB-C. You can find something easily to in charge this thing. We will use this later. And this is a clean pad. Carton, alcohol wipe, and the dust sticker. Now I will show you how to sticker and about the quality. We already installed one glass and one UV glass on this machine. And now I will pick it out. You can see it's not easy to drop or anything like that. So this is the UV glass when we pick it out. And about the phone, it's still clean and no something left on it, like a new one. And now I will install one new glass on it. First thing, clean the screen. The most important part is to remove the dust. Okay. And then this is the glue, the liquid glue. You spin this white hat for it. And then loose this button, loose a little, and pick this thing up. Pick this thing out. To make sure you spin it enough so we can pick it up for easily, and the hole is already open for you. And now you let this hole to aim to your screen. Spin the button and the liquid will come out. You can make this thing a long line on your screen, so it will be easily to let it fall across to the screen. Okay. So this is the glass. Remove there's still a film on it to protect it. Remove it. And look, the top side, there will be a little hole for the listening position. And find a good position to let it on. Adjust the position. Be careful with this hole, not let the glass touch this, so there will be low liquid in your listening hole. Okay, you can see it's nearly almost full covered. Okay. Use this cotton to slightly touch the edge to clean the liquid if it's leak out. And then we use this light with a power bank or something like this. You can charge this light for you. Then we scan it, the whole phone, for a whole 1 minute. We will speed up for this video in this situation. The total process should be no more than 1 minute, and you will get a good screen. Just remember, remove this light slowly. Okay, it's 1 minute. And to be patient for the finger on neck position, put it a little longer. And now we can end this position. You can see it's still tough on your screen. And you clean this. Now it's a totally perfect thing. We unlock it with the number and we will put a new fingerprint on it. So I will use my colleague's finger. Push it harder because this needs time. Okay. And we will speed up this position also. Okay, it's done. You can see there is only one fingerprint and no any Face ID, just one finger to unlock this phone. Okay, Freya. You can just put here hardly and it will unlock for you. Yes. Okay. 不用担心，之后我们剪的话就方便一点。Okay, Freya, what happened for you? Try it again.
这条布全是有人换的新的，咱们之前去了。
到时候会死人的，不这样。咱们流程的话是没有问题的，它指纹也是在之后才录的，那是不是没有进去呢？
可是可以不指纹的话，这最好当然是连着，用感觉比较顺畅，对吧？
但是我之前去给客户演示的时候，直接录的他的指纹，之后也是能够解锁。对，你这边不要停。When we meet some problem here.
演示折弯的还没弄呢。
Okay, let's go in touch, and we'll add a new one for myself. But I have a very handy hand. You can see there it all with the liquid. This is my personal thing, and I want that, but seems not work for me totally.
Okay, I show you. I'll try.
You will try. Okay.
这个要重新。
没事，直接用。Okay, if you have a dry hand finger, you will pass this test very well. We already installed the glass on this phone, and it's perfect.
OK 了。
Okay. Down the screen. Yes,
Okay.
Your finger is passed. It's work well.
Okay, unlock well.
Work very well. So I will pick this screen out and we test the finger again so we can see if this glass will affect the function. But we should to make a wholly, yes, it's perfect. I mean, still, nobody will see you have a screen protector on it. You just have a very perfect for your phone. And I try to find something. You can see with the
Screen place.
yes white screen is already very perfect. Okay, I will pick this thing up out. Even with 1 minute, it's still very tight to stick on your phone. You can. Okay, this is our glass and this is your phone. No scratch, no any glue left on it. It's very perfect. You always have a new phone. This is why you to buy a screen protector. And now I will bending this glass until it's broken. You can see it's very big angle, and I need to push it more harder. Sorry, it's very good quality. I mean, please. Please. Okay, it's broken already. Finally. And then we can check the pieces. It's well with anti-explode, so it will not broken like the glass pieces, and to scratch your skin like some bleeding, it's a safe design. Okay, that's all.